Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to highlight your text here in Canva. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we want to do is go to the very top of your screen, click text, and from here we're going to add text to our screen. Once you're in here, you can see you have multiple different options on the right hand side. For example, you have these options here. You also have effects as well, but we want to go back to basics. From here, we're going to go down. We can see there are actually current styles we can use. And you've got this one right here, which of course is a glow. This one, which makes it nice and yellow and black. But we can also go down, and using these different options, we can decide exactly what we'd like it to look like. So for stroke, for example, I can go through, go for a nice, let's go for a nice yellow, for example. Go up here, select that one, and you can see that's been highlighted in a different color. We can also then go even further, and we can of course add ourselves in some glow as well, just to give it a little bit extra if we'd like. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.